Well, good morning, everyone. This is day one of the 2025 Overland Expo West, and we're kicking it off, heading in, and we're going to do some classes, meet some friends, and we got lots of interviews to do today. We're working our way over here to the Garmin guys, and they've got a little presentation we're going to put on, so I thought I'd go pay a visit. We're at the Garmin booth.
66i, so they're basically different versions of the same.
Let's stop in and say hi to the Kingstar guys.
Hey, there he is.
Hi, buddy.
How's it going, Jim?
You're doing great. Val's put your shirt on for you today.
Oh, did she?
Yeah, she says, yep, we'll put Marcus's shirt on for him. Look at this, the new helper.
Yep.
Hi. Oh, he said, I'm not even going to pay attention. I'm going to go have some water and some food. What you think? Huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, hi.
Dixie, you making a new friend?
Yeah. Yeah. What do you think? Okay, we're out. Just cruising the midway here. Actually, this is near the entrance. And get your shirts and hats and stickers and patches and all kinds of stuff there. All right, so we are just coming out of a couple classes that we took with some friends of ours. Give you a little idea what's going on here. It's about lunchtime. This seems to be a very, very popular place to be this weekend. It's a great layout and perfect weather. As you can see, people are out with their dogs, and we're just having a blast. This is great. So walking around the expo, if you get bored, we have the Jeep here, and what you can do is you can do some coloring. Here we go. We'll color. Val will be happy. I can't see, I'm not a colorer. I don't stay in between the lines very well. We'll color. All right, so I'm with Samantha with Dry Fox. We use their towels in our camper. They are the best towels. Actually, they're the only ones anybody needs in their camper. But I'm going to have Samantha tell you all about her product today.
Hi guys, I'm Samantha from Dry Fox. Dry Fox is a quick drying towel brand. All of our towels are made out of recycled materials, quick drying, so they'll take 15-20 minutes to dry. Packs up super small. So for instance, this is your whole beach towel. Literally takes up no room, folds up to a t-shirt size. Just really lightweight, easy to bring everywhere. Great for camping, travel, boating, swimming, whatever you're up to, these are the towels that you're gonna bring.
Cool. And look at all of the colors and choices that you have. Many, many colors. And how many colors do you have?
We've got 14 different reversible prints.
14
so
reversible
they're
prints.
nice and fun.
Yep.
You've got all the reversible prints.
Yep.
3 different sizes. So you've got your beach size, your pack size, and your washcloth size,
Yep.
just depending on what you're doing.
All right, and the thing about these is you can use them. I don't know how they work. They're like magic. It's like you take a shower, and it's like you touch yourself with these towels, and it just sucks the moisture right off of your. I don't know how it does it. And then we just hang them in our camper if you've been in it, and I swear in like 10 minutes they're dry. I don't know how they do that. And they're made out of plastic, recycled water bottles. So if you're any type of a camper, you know, your towels take up a lot of space. Try these guys out. They're fantastic. We love them.
You can find us at dryfoxco.com or at dryfoxco on Instagram.
There you go. So we're working our way up here. We've got our friends at Buckstop, and that looks like that'll be our next stop maybe. So look at this gang. I'm recording you guys.
Working hard.
I can see that you are all working really hard.
Are you recording for your safety?
Yeah. You never know what might happen. Come over here. You never know. No, we're just walking around, and we're finally getting a chance to walk around and see what's happening here. It's a nice little venue here. So Greg is cooking up dinner over here. We got hash browns and sausage. And then, what's that, egg over there?
Yep.
Egg?
Here, I'll walk around with you.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
And
All right.
sausage.
And sausage. Well, it smells good anyway, even if I did just eat. It still smells good.
It's getting there. It's getting there.
Yeah. I think you're good. All right, this is our hangout here for the weekend, as far as when we're relaxing.
Bailey.
Bailey, the guard dog. So hi, Bailey. Say hi. Yeah, hi, Bailey. Okay. Well, good morning from Overland Expo. It's day 2, and we got a couple classes that we're going to go to.
Are you guys enjoying the show?
Oh, look.
It's not real hot.
Yeah.
Hi.
Not yet.
Hi.
He's my scaredy cat.
Okay.
You're not.
Well,
are
you
you?
guys are having a good time riding around.
Yeah.
So today we are going to just walk around the expo and try to hit the entire expo today, because we haven't done that. There's still areas we've not hit at all. Let me turn the camera around. It's what, 10 in the morning, somewhere in that ballpark, and you can see that things are starting to pick up. We have to be right now over here by Matt's Off-Road Recovery, and looks like they've got a pretty good crowd. What are you thinking, Colin?
Dude, these things are fast.
Oh yeah,
Those are crazy.
they're everywhere, man.
Yeah,
And they make these will go 20,
Yeah.
and then they got another one that goes, I think it goes like 42.
Good grief.
They're crazy.
Hey, Jamie.
Yeah, get her on it.
Jamie.
Jamie, you got to go for a cruise.
Pray don't wreck.
No. You're fine. Just don't go wide open. And
Easy to say.
You just hit that? Oh.
Just
yep,
hit the gas.
off she
go.
goes.
Woohoo!
Hold her wide. Those are awesome.
Look at, she didn't crash.
Crash.
You're a little shaky, but
She's a little shaky on the stop.
Pretty
you're doing
quick,
all
huh?
right.
It's almost too tall for
And
me.
you got a little bell right there.
Oh, well. Does this one have a light? No. Neither one of them. They have a little light on them.
So you could ride it around
Yeah.
in the dark.
Demo e-bike.
Uh,
Are you the right colors? So
Yeah.
they are. They're the
Right
perfect color.
color.
Robbie could repaint that and get Matt's Off-Road Recovery on there.
It could.
We need some surrounds, Mom. That's what we need.
Yes, meat eater. He does know who meat eater.
Yes, we know who we.
Yes. They look up.
Sure. Yes. Whatever you see.
Everywhere we look, people are busy. I haven't seen any vendors just sitting in their chair, you know, like you see sometimes, just waiting for somebody. Everybody's talking to people, so I think it's a pretty successful expo.
Coffee on
Look at that.
We got some sauces over here.
Check out the sauces. I'm gonna try a sample.
Okay, I'll try it.
All right.
All right.
What are we filming
So-
today? Anything good?
Oh, just, you know, anything we can, I guess. I'm just kind of.
This guy dances if you want.
Does he? He dances?
So, crafted by Kairos, we started out as a spice company. I'm passionate about food and clean nutrition, so I went on a mission to find and procure the best possible ingredients across the globe. We got pepper coming from India. I got domestic grown garlic on that, Pacific sea salt. And so people love it. All fresh ingredients, no fillers, no additives. It's been going really well. We came across another brand that went up for sale, Bend sauce, local to Bend here in Oregon. Same sort of ethos.
And this is the Bend sauce up here?
That's the Bend sauce.
Okay.
And so unique process. We take whole food ingredients to make it. And so it starts around the chipotle. We infuse it with the honey to make the honey, and then barbecue sauce. There's a Texas Pitmaster came up with a recipe with us on that. We use some of the chipotle mash into that as well.
All right. Guys, that stuff, we just got samples and it is awesome. We're buying some. You guys need to do the same thing. They can go online.
Yeah.
Give you a card right here, hold it up in front of the camera. And
this is a card with a QR
is that the card with the QR?
Yeah.
code.
This was a good idea earlier. It doesn't turn out to be.
Yeah, well, you know, when it gets windy.
Yeah, we'll take one of those.
Yeah, we'll take one of these.
Are you ready?
We'll hold this
I'm ready.
QR code up here. Maybe you can scan it. I assume they're going to be able to scan it. If not, code.
Go.
Oh, look at that. Code nice to meet you.
Okay, perfect.
All right, so these guys are awesome. This stuff is great. All right, so we have a converted ambulance. They're from Australia. Got a group of people in there. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I thought you were talking to the camera there.
All right, well, we're going to go in and take a look.
Go for it.
So we have a Murphy bed, and this will, fold down, and then we have another. It has another bed in the cab of the truck, believe it or not. So it's kitchen area, sink, storage, 7.1 cubic foot fridge and freezer. We got the microwave, got air fryer.
Backboards? No.
So we are on our way over to join our friend Matt McClellan from Ozark Overlanding Adventures. I was going to do a presentation on Gaia, which is an app that we use to pick out places to travel and routes to take and things like that. And Matt is going to be doing a presentation, so we're headed over there to join him in his presentation. And Val is going to learn all about Gaia.
Yep.
And we're going to...
Supposedly.
Yeah, well, that's what Matt promises.
He did. He said he'd help.
So we're going to head over there. We got to go right up over there.
Yep.
We've got a YouTube channel that it's all overlanding, camping, off-roading, tutorials and education content as well.
I just took a video of you taking a picture.
Laying on the concrete.
What we do for art.
So we left Matt's presentation a little bit ago on Gaia GPS, and he did an excellent job. The place was packed, but he did a very, very good job of explaining how layers work in Gaia GPS. So if you don't use Gaia, but you're a traveler, that would be a good thing for you to check out. And very useful tool.
At our rig again.
So we're coming back to our rig.
And of course there's somebody there.
And we will relax for a little bit.
Jalapeno poppers.
Jalapeno poppers.
Wow, we have multiple rigs.
There's all kinds of stuff.
All along Missouri.
I wanted to get the Hidden Valley, but that guy thinks it's pretty good.
His specialty is their little silo.
Hi, Bailey. What do we think?
Trying to get it where it's hot.
Not very busy under the tent, though. Hello.
He was speaking to us. He's like, no, I finished my French lesson. Oh,